Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Salvia, and welcome. You know, we are just gonna get right into it today, so keep on watching. So before we directly dive in head first into this video, I want you to know that this video is in partnership with makeup.com. There's going to be a whole article on it and a bunch of questions and a little interview with me and all that fun, good stuff. So make sure to check it out in the description below. So when I think of runway red carpet glam, I think of very luminous, glowy skin. So I'm gonna start off with two primers. This is the Visible Lift Radiance Booster Brightening Primer from L'Oreal. And then on top of that, I'm going to put on my Milk Makeup Radiance Blur Stick. For foundation, I decided to go with the Jouer Essential High Coverage Creme foundation. Going to be blending this all over my face with a beauty blender. I'm also going to be mixing in a little bit of my Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops in the color Moonlight. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Sephora Make No Mistake Concealer in the color Ginger. Before I apply my powder, I'm going to be using a little bit more of the Custom Enhancer drops from Cover FX just on the tops of my cheeks. For powder to set everything, I'm using the Dermablend Loose Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm just going to set my whole face. For bronzer, I'm going to be bronzing up my whole face so that we look like a bronzed goddess with the Dermablend Bronzer in Bronze Camo. For blush, I'm using my Milani blush in Rose d'Oro. I'm just going to place this on the apples of my cheeks and blend it back. Of course, we needed to add more highlight to this look. I'm going to be adding this all over my face. This is the Stardust Highlighter from Note Cosmetics. I'm also going to be adding this to my brow bone and also the inner corners. For the eyes, I'm jumping into the Pure Cosmetics Soirée Diaries. Did I say that right? I think I did. Soirée Diaries palette. I'm going into Gala, and I'm going to use Gala as my transition color. I'm going to pack Gala on super heavy. I'm then going to take a smaller pointed blending brush and I'm going to go into Splurge and Stunner. And I'm just going to put these right into my crease as well, just to give it a little depth. To finish off the eyes and make them pop a little more, I'm going to take this Makeup Forever pigment in Iridescent Pearl and place it on the lids. Before I put on lashes, I'm going to put on some mascara. This is the YSL Vinyl Couture Mascara in black. I'm going to be applying these lashes from Glowed Up Cosmetics. These are in the these are in the style Confident. Alright guys, our lashes are on, our eyes are done, our face is done. Now it's on to the lips. What is better? Or like, what screams red carpet more than a red lip? So we're going to be doing a red lip, and we're going to be doing an iconic red lip, which is the red lipstick Ruby Woo from MAC. This red, I swear to God, you guys, looks good on everyone. I'm going to first start off by lining my lips with the Brick Lip Liner from MAC. Now guys, to finish off this look, I'm gonna spray this setting spray right here. This is the Innisfree Nourishing Mist with Canola Honey. This is going to give me a super dewy, glowy glow. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and of course don't forget to hit the little notification bell so that you know when I am uploading next, and also check out all of my other videos right here. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I'll see you soon. Bye!